And thank you for all the love I get on this channel. I feel like such a celeb.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time seeing this face, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, join the family, leave a comment down below because I reply to all your comments. I read all your comments. So guys, I just woke up. So guys, I just woke up and it's 12:54. Like, I woke up like some minutes ago before I got my camera up, but like 12:54 now. So today I'll try to do this vlog. This is going to be like a day in my life in this Ramadan vlog because I have things to do today. Normally I don't have anything to do. I just basically sleep, pray and eat, like just a continuous like routine. I wake up around like 12 and then I pray to like 4, like from 12 to like 4. Then we make iftar, then we eat and continues like that. Don't have much to do, but today I have things to do. That's why, like the camera I'm using to do this vlog, it's broken. The lens is not working. You guys, you don't understand the angle where I have to put this camera for it to work like this. My memory cards too, 0. Like my memory cards are giving me serious problems. They delete all the footage. I just pray it does not delete this footage that I'm doing. Like it just deletes a lot of footage. Like most of my vlogs that I've been doing, I could not upload them because like most of the whatever I'm done with filming, most of the clips are gone. So today I'm trying to get new memory cards and try to see if I can get my camera fixed today since they have finally lifted the lockdown. And Hawa are going to go and see if I can get my new memory cards today. Hawa lives like 5 minutes from my house, so I just need to get dressed because she's waiting for me. So I see you guys at Hawa's house.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.
Sergio.
Y más allá, a través de la gran oscuridad, hasta que...
No, it's orange.
This is orange. Oh no, this is orange. But that's tangerine. Show them. You guys, please. This is not tangerine.
Is this tangerine or orange? This orange, you know, Hawa.
Clementine.
This is orange.
Thank you.
Orange is
Thank you. I should not tangerine when I see tangerine.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down and we're driving just to feel young. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time.
It's going to be so mean.
Hi guys. I don't know. I'm meant to look at the lens here.
Yeah.
Because when I look at myself, it's obvious. Anyways, so we're leaving shop right now, and yeah, we have the drive. Anyways, let me tell you guys a fun fact. So okay, you guys might already know, cause wait, let me check my face. My face is going through it right now. I mean my skin rather. But then yeah, what fun fact was I saying? There are people literally staring at me because of this camera. What fun fact? Yeah, fun fact is that this is the second time like Titi is ever driving. Why is this place locked? Looks like ShopRite has a closing time because see their gate is closed. So apparently, what's time now? Let me check. The time is 3:43. So maybe they close by like
3:30.
3:30. Yeah. See this woman in her bicycle. They are not even letting her. So yeah, as I was saying, this is the second time that, okay, let me just say third, let me just give her some credit and say third, that Titi is ever driving. Like other times I'm always in the driver's seat, so it feels really good to be a passenger, and it feels good to have her come to my house, pick me and then go and drop me, because the way this girl used to stress me before was not cool. And I think I was telling you guys in the other vlog how she only okay, no, she cut that part off.
What is that?
She didn't post it. How she has mouth when she's the passenger, she knows how to say stop. Well, when you see her drive, she's like, so it's very funny. And the only thing she knows how to do is to horn. Anything. Anything, and like every time she's horning. Every single time, even when there's no need, she's horning. I wanted to go and get a memory card because that's what we came here for, and then we couldn't get one. Yeah, but me, I got apples and I got insecticide because mosquitoes have been dealing with my life. Like I've literally been suffering with mosquitoes for the longest time.
Oh my god,
and her, she got a mirror, so I'm sure she'll show you guys when she gets home. Hi guys, so today is my vlog takeover. So we're back in my house now, and then oh my god, you guys, something cute happened. Let me show you. So it was day before yesterday, right? Titi called me and she was like, oh, she wants to order something. Oh, she feels like eating something sweet. Let's order something, blah blah blah. I was like, I beg me, I don't really want anything. No, the day I was spoiling myself, I spoilt myself. So I was like, I beg, I don't even have money to be spoiling myself again. So I was like, nah, I don't want anything. So I was now asking her what she wanted, and she was like, she didn't know. This pimple, ignore it. So she was like, she didn't know. So I was just giving her ideas, and I was like, okay, do you want cream filled donuts? Because me, I've been craving that, and I was like, it's something nice, it's something sweet she can get. So she was like, yeah, sure. I was like, okay, don't worry, I'll send you like a couple of pages that I know that you can get it from. And then yesterday, I got a call. And then the girl was like, oh, hi, please, I'm coming to you with, you have an order from so person. Mentioned the name, like the name I didn't know. So I was like, are you sure it's me? He's like, yeah, he even said my house address. I was like, oh, okay. So anyways, long story short, I now called Titi after that. I'm like, did you order anything for me? And she said, it was Lillian. So Lillian is our friend from school. And
our
then, yeah, she's so cute. Oh my god, you guys.
Friend.
So anyways, basically, she used Titi to get me. So she got me this box of donuts. And then, like, I've honestly been craving this red velvet ones. So huge. Like, I could literally, first of all, I was so excited. Like, I was so excited that when I got it, I couldn't eat much. I don't know, does that happen to you guys?
When you're fasting, we can't eat much.
No, but that's the thing, like, but still I should have been able to eat one. Like, the excitement, I feel like the excitement filled me up a bit. Because I literally just like had half. And then funny how I also like made donuts yesterday. Let me show you guys the donuts I made. Okay, it doesn't look as good as yesterday, but
what's baking skills? What's this?
It's like the extra one. That couldn't form any shape, so I did like 2 different shapes basically, but it tastes nice. I won't lie. And then, so Lillian, thank you for these donuts. Like, I honestly feel like I have the best friends. Like, they're so amazing and they're so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed my takeover. If you would like to see more of me here, comment down below, and then don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog because she can't go out without me, basically. So, yeah.
2 hours later.
So hey guys, it's now currently 10 p.m. I already broke my fast. I've prayed. I broke my fast. I've prayed basically, sure. But let me show you guys what I got today when I went out. I wanted to fix this camera I'm using, but they were not the place where I went to. They could not fix it, and I could not get my memory card. So tomorrow, I'm trying to go to like a different place and get like for them to fix my camera and let me get new memory card. But let me show you guys what I got. I know it's not something serious, but I was really happy. It was improvised, but I was really happy that I got it. This is the mirror I got. The mirror that I was talking about. This is it. Just a simple mirror, but I was just so happy I got this mirror because I've wanted a mirror for a long time now. Like 5 perfect magnification. I'm just really happy. I finally got a mirror that when I'm using to shoot my like Instagram beauty videos. Yes. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go and follow me on Instagram now. The link will be in my description box. I don't know if I'm going to continue this vlog till tomorrow. Like I'm going to continue this vlog tomorrow. I'm not sure yet because I have to go out and make sure I fix this camera. And let me explain to you guys. See this camera I'm using. This lens is not moving. Like it's stuck on one position. And my memory card, I can't remove it from my I can't remove it from the camera because if I remove it, all the files I have on it, like it will just disappear. So I have to go and fix that tomorrow, else I'm going to have issues because I have to start editing this video now. And I see you guys later, maybe tomorrow. Bye.